My name is Matt Melson. I'm a pre-construction manager with Elder Construction. Previous to ProContractor, we were simply using Excel, which definitely has its drawbacks. It's tough to sort estimates, and Excel can have the tendency to make mistakes if you're missing formulas, if you're not dragging across the right cells. So definitely was a layer of concern there that we had, and we had to make sure we were triple checking just to make sure the program was calculating correctly. I frankly had some concerns about having one program do it all, estimating and project management, but ProContractor has eased those concerns. Again, it's been a very seamless transition from pre-construction operations. That quote-unquote handoff has gone a lot better than I ever expected. Really enjoy the sorting features of the program, the ability to sort by different areas, different alternates, and having that database built into it is absolutely huge. We've been able to capture our historical costs a lot better and keep track of them, update them quickly, and it's available for every estimator to grab. The ability to have the database of jobs already built in there and then to quickly copy and then reconfigure for a new estimate that comes in. Either that's the same job, just jumping from different design phases like SC to DD, or building a similar project, just having that availability to copy the estimate quickly. You can leave the quantities in or take them out is really beneficial. There's a lot of times that we've given less than 2 or 3 days to put a number together, and as opposed to cost per square footing it, having that job already built in there and then just updating the quantities and taking a look at the unit prices really helps us in a short turnaround. That's been a huge benefit, as well as alternates. Construction budgets are often far off from where the estimates actually come in, and we have to go through an extensive effort to bring down the costs. The alternates feature within ProContractor is the best I've ever seen. You have the ability to price different pricing scenarios, different cost scenarios by grabbing items in the estimate and then plugging in a replacement. Just really impressed with the software. Had my reservations going into it just because change is always tough for everybody, but ultimately looking back, it's only been implemented 6 months, and we've worked through a lot of the early understanding issues that we just needed to make, and we're off and rolling. I mean, it's the only software program that I'm using right now to price estimates, whether that's a very detailed final estimate or just a quick cost model I've got to turn around in 2 days. I use the same program and the same format, and it's producing the results we need.